Hi, hello, konnichiwa. So today in this short session we will be discussing about the dream colleges of every NEET aspirant. In this video we will be talking about India's top 5 best medical colleges. This video is totally dedicated to our future doctor. In this video, I wanna clear your misconception. That is, if you are unable to join these colleges, it doesn't mean to be you will be not a good doctor. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. This hierarchy, fifth rank is given to the Maulana Azad Medical College. This college is situated in Delhi and run by Delhi government. It is named after freedom fighter and first education minister of independent India, Sir Maulana Abul Azad Kalam, and this college was established in 1926. The future doctor will require amount of 15,500 rupee for the course of MBBS for the duration of 5 years and 6 months. In this hierarchy, the fourth rank is given to the Jipmer College. Jipmer is a short form of Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. This college is situated in Puducherry and run by Ministry of Health, India. This college have campus of 195 acres close to 0.8 km square and it was established in 1823. Future doctor will require amount of rupee 4,970 for the course of MBBS for the duration of first year. In this hierarchy, third rank is given to the Armed Force Medical College. This medical college is situated in Pune, Maharashtra and managed by Indian Armed Forces. The motto of this college in Sanskrit is Sarve Santu Nirmaya, which means in English, let all be healthy. This college was established in 1948. The future doctor will require amount of 31,870 rupee for the course of MBBS for the duration of first year. In this hierarchy, second rank is given to the Christian Medical College. This college is situated at Vellore, Tamil Nadu and run by Christian community. It is a private college. The motto of this college is the words of Jesus taken from the Holy Book Bible is not to be ministered unto but to minister, which means in English not to be served but to served. The CMC college was established in the beginning of 20th century. The future doctor required to pay amount of 33,905 rupee for the course of MBBS for the duration of first year. In this hierarchy, topmost rank is given to the AIIMS Delhi. AIIMS is the short form of All India Institute of Medical Science. AIIMS have many branches all over India and it is government college run by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The motto of this college is Sarira Madhyam Kalu Dharma Sadanam, which means in English, the body is indeed the primary instrument of Dharma. This college was established in 1956, having the international ranking of 231. The future doctor will require to pay amount of 1,620 rupee for the course of MBBS for the duration of first year. Oncology is the specialty of this college, which means study and the treatment of tumors. At the end, I want to tell you one more fact. India is the only country having the most medical colleges. So proud to be Indian. Hope you liked this session. Never forget to share and subscribe.